Milestone moment in the fight against Alzheimer's. For the first time in about 18 years, the FDA has approved a drug for the disease that impacts millions of Americans. Dr. Stephen Salloway from Butler Hospital served as the co-chair of the Global Steering Committee for studies of the drug. He says Rhode Islanders played a huge role in the studies leading up to the approval. However, the effectiveness has been debated for years. 12 News reporter Sheena Losciuto has more on how the drug works. It's new tonight. Sheena?
Well, Dr. Salloway says the treatment will be available to patients at places like Butler Hospital in really just the next few weeks. It is important to note, though, that the treatment is only approved right now for people with early stages of the disease. Dr. Stephen Salloway, the director of neurology at Butler Hospital, feels the weight and sees the pain Alzheimer's can cause someone and their family.
And it's hard to describe. I already cried in front of my staff today.
So when the FDA voted to approve aducanumab, he described it as a breakthrough.
With a progressive illness like Alzheimer's, buying time early on in the disease is really important.
He's been involved in the trials here since about 2013.
If you combine Butler Hospital and Rhode Island Hospital, we had probably the largest number of people in the world in this trial.
The treatment is given through an IV and targets what he's calling the core component of the disease. In his experience, he says patients who get it stay stable.
Once a month by infusion, and it gets into the brain at low doses. It binds to the amyloid plaque, which builds up in the brain. It breaks it up, and then it helps to clear it.
The treatment has been debated over the years.
I think the jury is still out on whether it works, and there's a clear standard that manufacturers have to meet in order to gain market access. And in this instance, I think that the evidence is still quite murky as to the safety and especially the effectiveness of this product.
But Salloway says he believes there's enough benefits to warrant an approval. The FDA is requiring a follow-up study.
You have to have an early stage of Alzheimer's, and that means mild cognitive impairment or mild dementia. So you're having memory trouble, but you're still functioning pretty well. So that's number one. It's not approved for advanced stage Alzheimer's.
Now, Dr. Salloway says this is really only step one. He says researchers are getting closer and closer to detecting the disease much earlier. Reporting live tonight, I'm Sheena Losciuto, 12 News.